Okay guys, today I am going to be showing you how you can upload your photos to your Google Drive. It's actually quite straightforward. I'm going to show you on the desktop and also on your mobile device. As I get into it, smash the like button, subscribe if you're new, and let's get into it. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a look at this on the desktop. Okay, so here we are at drive.google.com, signed into my account, and I've actually just created a folder called Photos within my Drive. And you'll notice here on the desktop it says that you can just drop your files here or use the new button to upload your photos. Okay, so the new button is up here on the top left hand side. You can go ahead and click this, and we could of course file upload just using this one here, or Control-C then U as it tells you the shortcut, or alternatively we can just drag and drop them onto here. So as you can kind of see, I have these files just here inside my pictures. If I go ahead and grab these and I just go ahead and drag and drop them onto the web browser, you can see that it is uploading 6 items just here. Okay, so you just give it a moment and it'll quickly upload all of your photos that you've dragged onto the page directly to your folder. Okay, so this is probably the easiest way that you can actually add photos from your kind of computer hard drive onto the Google Drive in the cloud. Okay, once it's all done, it will tell you that it's complete just down here on the bottom right hand corner. At the moment it's got 2 more items to upload, just uploading the last item right now, and then it'll tell you that it has uploaded 6 images completed. Okay, and that's your easiest way to kind of just add files and photos directly to your Google Drive via the website. Okay, so let's show you how to do this on your iPhone or Android device. I have got the Google Drive app installed on my iPhone here. Once I've loaded it up, we end up on the home screen just like this one here. If we navigate over to the bottom right hand corner where it says Files, give that a click. It's going to load up all your folders and files that you've currently got on your Google Drive. I'm just going to click on the Photos folder that we just created and added photos to on the desktop, and here you can see I've got all those images that I've just added from over on the actual computer. Now if I go ahead and hit this little plus icon at the bottom right hand corner here, give that a click, we can then choose Upload Files. This is going to be directly from your iPhone or Android device. We're going to click on Photos and Videos. Now if this is the first time that you're doing this, it will ask you to either give full access to your library, or you can select the images that you want to upload. In my case, I've selected a few images that I can choose to upload if I want to, and you can see I've got recents and I've got videos and things like that. So I'm going to click on Recents, and here it's going to load up a bunch of cars from the Mansory event that I went to in Dubai, and here we can see that I can now just go ahead and add a few of these photos directly to my Google Drive, and then I can go ahead and click on Upload, and that's going to start the uploading process. You can see here Upload to Drive. It's going to basically show you a preview. I'm going to click on Upload, top right hand corner, and it's then going to go and cycle through all of the images that I've selected to upload to my Photos folder here on the Google Drive. You can see at the bottom it also tells you how much time is kind of remaining, how many items are being uploaded. You can see it's less than a minute and it's uploading 5 items at the moment. That's going to drop down to 4 items, as you can kind of see, and it says it's almost finished, right? So basically we're just going to let that run through this kind of quick process, and then I'll be right back. Okay, and just like that, you can see that 10 uploads complete, and they're saved to the Photos folder. And now we can scroll through here and we could take a look at all of those images. I can click them. It's going to load up here on the iPhone. Okay, so these are now all saved to your Google Drive. And guys, honestly, it is as easy as that to essentially save your photos to Google Drive. Okay, guys, if you found this useful, informative, smash that like button, subscribe for more hints and tips, and I'll catch you all in the next one.